Director ke kam jungo kai UCV Darlong Ding do ula pembina ya ke jeng Pyllait Paidbah ya ke Khusnam Indian Responsible Tourism State Awards Meghalaya aja apusau ke sien ke baat. Katanat kam jungo kai ke temu ban kentiu ya ke kam jungo kai ke ban ne Islam ha Meghalaya. Ula ong ru ba ke ke Khusnam kan itu ya nyautuli ki kerdan bakentup ya ki homestay ki travel agency ki jakabam ki nong penwandur bat ki nong pen i ya ki riti dostor. Kani ke jeng sedang ke ai mensiem ban kapediang ya ke rukom trei ha ke kam jungo kai Meghalaya ke bepenpau ya ke jeng trei shitom ke jela ban kentiu ya kam jungo kai ke ban ne Islam.
As you know, one of the stated objectives of the Meghalaya tourism policy is to promote responsible and sustainable tourism. It's very important for a state like ours in Meghalaya with abundant natural beauty to promote and recognize those who are promoting and who are taking care of nature and who are looking at sustainable and responsible tourism. So keeping in line with the Meghalaya tourism policy of 2023, we are happy to announce that we have partnered with Outlook Responsible Tourism, which has pioneered Indian Responsible Tourism Awards at the national level, and this is the state level awards which we are announcing today, the second edition of the awards. And we have 7 categories, that is homestays, B&Bs and guest houses, travel enterprises, food, architecture, grassroots heroes and cultural ambassadors.